Microsoft is changing how SSPR works. If until now you could reset your password only by having an email address or a phone number configured on your account in Entra, this no longer works now. On the 6th of July, Microsoft will start a registration campaign targeted to self-service password reset, which will prompt users to configure their authentication methods. And starting September, SSPR will only work if a user has an authentication method configured. In your Entra portal, you can navigate to the Authentication Methods blade and choose User Registration Details. Over here, you'll see which users are capable and which aren't for self-service password reset. And in the registration campaign, Microsoft will target the ones which are not capable at the moment. Let's see what that means in real life. A user is flagged as not capable for performing self-service password reset whenever they do not have anything configured under the Authentication Methods blade on their user profile in the Entra portal. So now, if Daniel wants to reset his password from the official Microsoft website, after entering the required credentials on the page and clicking Next, he is being presented with the following page. We're sorry, you cannot reset your password because you haven't registered for password reset. And this is tied to the fact that he doesn't have anything registered here under authentication methods. Taking Anka's account as an example for the same password reset process, because she does have registered authentication methods under profile, she gets this particular prompt. She can either enter the verification code from the Authenticator app, or she can receive a notification on her phone to perform number matching. Once Daniel has configured MFA for his account using the Authenticator app, he can now go ahead and try to reset his password using the official Microsoft SSPR portal. And after entering the required details, he is now prompted to reset his password, same as we've seen before. Notice one thing though. In the official Microsoft documentation, it states that the following authentication methods are available for SSPR. And you'll probably notice something very contradictory. There are no passkeys. So this means if passkeys are their only authentication method configured, they won't be able to do SSPR when this goes full GA? Microsoft needs to take another look at this. So ensure you check the SSPR documentation and ensure that you notify your users to configure another authenticator method on their profiles in case they are only using passkeys at the moment. I will put the links in the description. If this was useful for you, please let me know in the comments. And remember, when it comes to Azure, you always got your brother in the cloud. See you in the next one.